if we are curious about to take knowledge from other place, so if we are
No facilities of metro and train, but there are facilities.
Hello, is Sana ma'am, and this is Hema Thapa, and both are them actually are ready now. She's from Nepal, and she's from Manipur, but she's now the part of India now. Actually, she's also the part of India, as you know. So now I'd like to ask her some little questions to all of them. That what is the importance of English, ma'am? What do you want to say about it?
According to me, English is very important, because if we are going somewhere outside, so it is very important to connect, to interact with the people through the English language, because we know that English is a global language and most of the countries people speaking English. So if we are going outside, it is beneficial for us if we know English to talk with them. And second thing is, English is also official language. So in most of the work, in office work, English is important. If we know English, it is most of the chance that we can get a job. And English is important for daily conversation with people who because if we talks in English, it looks like we are educated.
But if you just talk in Hindi, the people say that no, he's not educated like this. Okay, please, thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. So what do you want to say about it? Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English here?
Okay. I can connect people and I want to do nursing. That's why I learn English.
Fantastic. Now, please. Okay, please. Yes, ma'am. What is the secret of happiness?
According to me, secret of happiness is inside the person. If the person is thought that I can be happy, so no one can make him sad. And also the knowledge is also the secret of happiness, because if we are curious about to take knowledge from other place, so if we are busy on that and we cannot focus on other things, that make us happy.
Fantastic. Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me something about your Manipur? How is Manipur? Manipur is a good area or a very Athangbadi area? How is the Manipur?
Manipur is very peaceful and beautiful place to stay.
There is also metro and bus like trains and all.
There in Manipur no facilities of metro and train, but there are facilities in bus.
There is a bus facility but not metro and trains facility, right? Okay, fantastic. Okay, please, could you tell me please how to recognize to a good person, right? To good people, how to recognize it? What can be expect for it, right? For example, if you want to know to the people, either you can tell that if you want to just know make friendship with anyone, so what should be their thing, like we should see this and then make friendship.
So if I want to make friendship with someone, so I want that the other person is same like me. There is same qualities and
Some qualities like that.
I have like
Physical qualities or mental quality, what do you want?
mental qualities, vibe vibe match होनी चाहिए, and like politeness होना चाहिए, and oh sorry, like politeness. And the thing that I thought they also interested on the other person, that's attract us for the friendship.
Could you tell me please why were you absent yesterday?
Because some problem, I go to outside of home with my aunties to some work.
That's why you were absent yesterday, right?